What's up, boys? We're going out for a drive. So I've seen a bunch of POV videos on YouTube of people driving. We have a bunch of snow. We have a rear wheel drive Volvo 740. So let's go. So if any of you guys are new here, this is my 1987 Volvo 740. So this has the B230K engine, which is a real finicky engine. It's about 100 horsepower, welded diff, Sparko seats, and a lot of fucking drift potential. Let's go, boys. Had some warmer weather, so the snow is starting to clear up. It's kind of sticky outside. In some places there's just some asphalt. Still driftable though. Hell yeah. Actually, it's been a long time when I just went out and played with this car. Or like, shit, we got some dry asphalt over there, or not dry, but still you get a lot of grip. I haven't went out with this car since like last week, and actually it's just like so much fun. And I would just like to point out here in the beginning of the video that is of course not me driving in this. I received this clip from some weird dude who had a like secret email. He sent me this clip so I could show you guys on YouTube. So to all police who are watching this clip, this of course isn't me driving. Come on, 740. Hell yeah. Whew. You have to hack these cars real hard to get them to drift, especially when there's like some resemblance of grip here. Let's go. Bogs down so easily. Third gear fucking pinned, boys. Let's do a long ass e-brake. Oh, holy shit, boy, that's sweet. Now time for some red line. Hit the snow. Hell yeah, boys. Now this is what Swedish winter is all about. To all of you guys not living here. And also a good one to all of you who have commented my recent winter drifting videos to say we all drift so very slowly. We do sometimes, but sometimes we bring the speed too, you know what I'm saying? of course have some limitations with the car. Even though it's snowy outside and I'm not using any special tires, we have only got 100 horsepower to play with here. So you need to remember that. Actually gonna slow down here so I don't spit any rocks at the car. Or not me. Remember, this is not me driving, but that guy who drove sent me this clip, you know, he didn't want to spit rocks at the car. Because when you're out having fun, sheesh, there's no reason for you to ruin someone else's day. Oh, this line is so nice. Yee! Oh, this thing's too slow, boys. Too slow. I really like the handbrake in this. I'm not using a hydraulic handbrake. I've just extended the original handbrake because it works really good. At least in snow, you don't need that heavy. Sheesh. At least, like, you know, in snow you don't really need that good of a handbrake. It really doesn't even need to like lock up the rear. So if you can only get them to speed down a bit and then flick the car, that's kind of all you need. Let's hit the snow. Hell yeah, boys. Wall tap. Fuck yeah, boys. So yeah, I've been watching a lot of these POV videos when people are out driving their car, normally not sliding like this, but I thought I would try and make some. And if you think these are cool, kind of more like a moto vlog than a regular vlog, but if you think these are cool, please be sure to tell me here down below or leave a like on the video and I'll deliver much more of these. Damn, I'm stoked. This car is running so good right now. I've been having an issue with it where it stutters when you let off the gas for a while and try to go on it again. Like when you use the handbrake or something, but I'm not having that issue at all. If you want to see more of these, just holler at your boy and I'll try to deliver. Because right now we haven't got that much snow here, you know, so we have some places. Shit, I can't even talk. We have some places where we just have straight asphalt and I cannot slide those. Car just has too low of a power to do that. Or not really, but it's not as fun. I would just like to point out that of course I could go with a turbo car or something like that. But the beauty with driving these old 740s is that they never break. Just look at this, I'm holding the gas pedal pinned the whole time. And there's like zero chance of us breaking anything or even overheating the car right now. See, gas is freaking pinned, boys, to the floor. Shit, here we have some more grip, boys. Oh, very slide up in this. I could, or I actually should do this when it's brighter outside. The only problem is that especially in the north it gets dark so early. I don't know when it gets dark right now, but I think it's around like 3 o'clock or something. If I were, or the guy that has recorded this, if he were to go out, let's just say 2 o'clock or something like that, you would have so much traffic on the roads, it wouldn't be possible. Let's check for cars. This is like complete asphalt shit. 740 still delivers, boys. Keep her pinned. I bet you we could go to another place in Mexico sometime where there's not as many people in the daytime and film some there. I just thought of this idea and I really wanted to try it. Some POV driving with commentary. Come on, 740. The no lift shift saves the day. Man, I do really want to put an angle kit on this car. I think that's the next step in the build of this car. Get a nice angle kit going for it. I don't have too much angle right now, and it's just not as fun as when you have insane angle. That is so much fun. The old 740 takes it like a champ. So yeah guys, pretty quick video, but this was all for this one. If you want to see more of this style of POV driving, I could make more. Maybe I could try out some different winter beaters, see how they handle. But I don't know, if you have any ideas, write them down in the comments and I'll deliver. I hope you like this one. Leave a like, boys, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Instagram and Patreon page are right here if you want to support me. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice